Hey everybody, it's Robo Ninja, alright. I'm here with my 3 puzzle boxes, and you'll believe this is my 5th take. Yeah, I've had many interruptions. One of my takes that were good, didn't get very well because the voice, like, you could barely even hear it. Basically, but here it is. Just gotten that out. Cool. Push that out. And your reward is, there's gold piece, but it's kind of hard to see because my camera sucks. My camera's basically colorblind. I just need to check the last thing. Yeah, my jokes are not funny, by the way. I've heard my jokes are not funny. Like I've ever been told my jokes suck. But anyway, next up, my biggest one of them all. You don't believe me? Here's the size difference. This one's just a little bit taller, but it's not wider. If I were to put it sideways, you would notice it's kind of weird. Basically, like, weird looking because it's like. I'm guessing that it's like where basically no matter what, it's almost the same size. From the size difference completely smaller, I guarantee it. Like this one right here has no differential, but I don't even know what it's but anyway, just people say I've been noticing sometimes you can actually just get it by that. You know, it's the wrong way. But that's not the right way. If you wanted to learn automatic, always actually does always work. Twist that, and it's unlocked. It's unlocked. Lock it back. Bring it on back down, and then just push that in. And there we go. And for my last one, this, I think I've actually already shown this, but just in case I haven't. Yeah, so if you like this video, subscribe, big white, little white button on the corner. Please do. I've only got 1 subscriber, which is Al. Can't remember his name. I think it's something about Nintendo. I know it's Mega Man. Mega Man something something. I think it's Mega Man 63. Oh yeah, that's all. See you later.